Much like Christmas morning, she rips through the inevitable next box. She has 7 minutes and 33 seconds to do so. Don't worry, it just means I'll be paying attention to the timer, and I will tell you when it's time to stop. Just hand me the bigs. You worry about getting the littles out. Another frost giant with sword. Another tri-drone. Another cool female vampire spawn. They do have different dress colors, so I'll address that later. And another sea spawn. Replication has began in Brick 2. Well, it did begin in Brick 1 with the Death Dogs, but...
Tied in.
We have the second version of the Empyrean. The Slod without the fireball, just the Claw Raker. Super cool, that's why they did 2 sculpts, so the repeating isn't so bad. A third vampire spawn, I know she has a different dress. She's in the black dress. Definitely groovy. I'll try to go over these as much as I can when it's finished, so you get the full spectrum of things. An Azamar. I believe Paladin. Yes, the Azamar dual-wielding Paladin. Flame sword and regular sword. Beautiful stuff. And we have more Slod. So when Slods pop up in trio, I will have them. Sorry about all the plastic grumbling noises. Tony Danza is free. We have another Dreamwalker. Oh no, this time it's not a Dreamwalker. Yes, it is. It is the Dreamwalker with the dual-sided weapon from Star Trek. Another fish with a pincer. Nasty little creatures. Now we have an owl with his flail and his sword. Awesome stuff. I do run a mod that has gnolls in a village. A third death dog. Don't worry, when I figure out what I'm ready to get rid of as a giveaway, I will have another video to let you know. 3 minutes and a half in. Looks like another female hill giant. It is almost the same, except she doesn't have a weapon. The horde grows. Could you imagine this being one combat in a campaign? I would do it to my players. Another fish whip. This time we have the gnome, who doesn't have the dagger, same sculpt, but has a fireball in hand.
Don't miss that one.
Here is an invisible dragonborn fighter. A very rare, fantastic. It is the one with the sword. I believe that was the dragonborn we pulled earlier. I cannot find him. Another Cyclops. This guy has an axe this time. Axe versus club. Where did that Dragonborn fighter go? And we have pulled a Triton. Defenders of the Sea. So out of the heroes, we've got an Azamar, a Triton, and a Dragonborn. Ah, and a human bard. Yes, yes, I'll do some rearranging of these figures for sure. Another kobold. Daring and brazen. You can never have enough kobolds. Ah, the winged kobold. I finally did get an Erd. Good, good, good. She's closing in on the 2-minute mark. An axe-wielding frost giant this time. The human bard with guitar. We have 1 minute and 33 seconds.
I have 2.
The Tridrone, or not Tridrone, but Mesoloth. More demons from the Underdark. My first goblin, a torch-wielding goblin of anger. A goblin hooker. I am excited about that. We can now catapult goblins at you in Storm King's Thunder. Accurately. Another goblin. More goblins for the hooker. 45 seconds. Another kobold. If this cuts off early, I'm sorry. A winged kobold. 33 seconds. We'll know what's in the box. We end with another crazed giant. Another mephit of the magma variety. Another quadrone. 5 seconds. And finally, another sturge.